Pero alam mo, there's a very big misconception pala do'n. Kasi si Morgan Housel works with an organization that does financial education for these players, especially the young players talaga na 18, 19 years old, pumapasok ng league. The reason why a lot of them actually go out, like go bankrupt. You have the fringe cases of Allen Iverson na jewelry houses, gano'n, yes. Pero yung iba sa kanila, it's because of um, the social contract that they have with yung sinabi mo, Rico, na yung ghetto, 'di ba? Na once I get out of poverty, then I also have to bail out my parents, my siblings, my cousin, my grandmother. And ito sobrang relate talaga 'to for OFWs and for Filipinos
Yeah.
who become
Yeah.
wealthy,
Yeah.
'di ba? Na parang yung social contract na if I become wealthy, I also have this obligation to take care of other people. And I get it, malakas sa atin yung family nga, eh, pero minsan din medyo twisted na rin yung ano, yung dating niya na hindi na siya hindi na siya joy, hindi mo na ginagawa kasi gusto mo, pero
It's
parang obligation.
compulsion na.
Oo, compulsion na siya na, "Hindi, kailangan kong magtabi kasi ako yung breadwinner ng lahat." Sandali, able-bodied naman yung mga pamangkin mo. Sabihin mo sa kanila sila na yung bumili ng sapatos, 'di ba? But also I think that also ties very heavily into our, like, especially for Filipinos, the way that we take too much weight on the opinion of people who are close to us.
Mm.
Na
I think
natin na
we
tayo
also
yung
wanna feel good about ourselves, bro. Because it really does
yeah,
feel good na ikaw yung tumutulong. And
yeah,
I think it's mainly because we wanna feel relevant. But the
Yeah.
problem is, yung mga tinutulungan mo minsan, hindi nila na-appreciate yon. They will see you as
yeah.
someone who is obliged or obligated to pay for them.
Ayun
Yeah.
Meron
ang
akong friend,
problema.
bro, may share ako sa inyo na ako nababad trip ako dito. And I think you've heard similar stories. May friend ako, bro, Singaporean. Okay, Singaporean, Chinese. Tapos meron siyang girlfriend na ano na Pilipino. Tapos dinala siya sa Pilipinas, pre. So they went to Manila, ganyan-ganyan. And then they took out the whole family. Tito, tita, mga pinsan, pati yung isa pang siguro second cousin. Alam mo naman sa atin, 'di ba? You know what?
Yeah.
After nang nila kumain, pre, walang naglabas ng wallet. Tinginan daw dun
Ay
sa
naku,
kaibigan kong Chinese na sabi niya, "Ha?"
ay naku.
Sa isip niya is like, "Ha? Akala ko akala ko magda-Dutch tayo dito. I'll pay for my
Hmm,
girlfriend." But, pero hindi niya sinabi. So parang ano daw, sabi niya sa akin, okay, sabihin ko in Singapore, "Bro, that was damn awkward. Everybody was looking at me. They expect me to pay for all the food they ate. Why can't like that?" Gumanon siya, pare. Yung talagang expression niya. Pero sabi niya, "I love my girlfriend so much. Fine, I'll just but this will never happen again." So sabi ko sa kanya,
yeah.
"Brother, that's our culture, man. That's how it
Wow.
is. Okay? Because you have to understand
Nakakaya.
that." Yan, nakakaya,
Yeah.
pare. Ako nahiyang-hiya ako. Sabi ko, "Tangina, pre." Pero hindi ako nag-sorry sa kanya, tangina. Sabi ko sa kanya, bro. Like, bro, it's just like that. You gotta understand that, you know, the country comes from a it's a
Yeah,
scarcity
mindset.
mindset yan. So, pag nakita sila ng someone who is from a first world country, they expect that you are abundant. Na wala sa'yo yung gagastusin mo dito sa Pilipinas, that it's nothing. So, kaya ayun yung
Yun ang kailangan
expectation sa
natin
kanya.
alisin.
Yes, bro. And itong friend ko na to, bro, hindi nga to graduate. Technician lang. Although he's earning more than the standard, salary sa Pilipinas dahil na Singapore.
Yeah.
Kung sa Singapore setup yan, median salary lang yan. Mas
Yeah.
mahal pa yung gastusin namin dito, bro. Times 4
Mm,
ang
mm.
expenses namin dito. Ayun, kawawa siya. So, why was I sharing this? Ayun, back to it na naman. Yung scarcity mindset ng nating
Yeah.
mga Pilipino, bro.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Ito kasi, just want to share it, no? Just short one. Kasi sa Pilipinas, the basic unit of society that is considered is the family. not the individual. I think we need to
Yeah.
shift it to the individual. Because if
Yeah.
we focus that the basic unit is in the individual, we empower the individual. We empower each family member. Hindi buo. Hindi
Yeah.
lahat. Isa yung nag-earn ng successful, has achievement. Hindi ibig sabihin nun na parang susuportahin mo na lahat. Kasi ang basic unit mo yung buong pamilya eh. Pero pag nag-focus
Kasama
ka
extended.
to bring it down to the individual, now everyone has the responsibility to become successful. You don't rely
Yeah.
on others and mahihiya ka.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was